Hey folks, Mr. Tolly. I'm going to kind of review the Lyman case prep multi-tool. That's a picture of it. A little farther down is the price on Midway USA. I buy quite a bit from Midway, not as much as I probably would like to, but I don't have a lot of money. So I go with some budget stuff, and I've had this for, I don't know, a long time, 7 or 8 years I suppose. It's pretty complete for prepping your case, aside from your case length, and we'll get to that. But it has the large and small primer pocket cleaning tool. This is a deburring tool, or removes your military crimp. And this is a hand-used tool, so take it for what it is. If you don't want to work that hard, buy the powered stuff that costs you $100 and up. This works great for me for $27. And like I said, I've been using it for a long time. Everything, the handle comes apart, and all the pieces will store in the handle. I'm still using this on the other two pieces here that are on it, so, but it all fits in the handle, and you store it just like that. Can't beat it. I've been using it for years. Showed you how it worked. It's a pretty simple tool to use, and it does the job. Not the greatest primer pocket cleaner. It does a good job of chamfering the military crimps off, because I use it on my 223 and my 308 military brass. Excuse me, my 7.62 by 51 brass. So it gets a lot of use around my reloading bench here. Use it all the time. Very handy, very convenient, and it's easy. I won't condone this, but I have taken the primer pocket deburring tool, the crimp remover, and chucked it up in my drill and just go through a bunch of them. When I've got, 1,000 pieces of brass, it's pretty easy to go through it that way. But for doing a few pieces, I'm doing maybe 100 pieces of 270 brass here this afternoon, and it's working great. It does everything I need it to do. Got another tool that I'm showing you. I don't know if it's going to be before this or after this. I haven't decided yet. Probably before. I use this before I use the other tool, and after. Two different aspects of the same tool. I also use the primer pocket uniforming tool, which is also very simple. This goes down and fits right into your primer pocket, and you just spin it and you knock the inside. There's usually a burr in there from the manufacturing process of the brass, and you hit the outside. Voila, primer pocket's done, in decent shape, and then you're ready to load that brass up, head out to the range. So I'm going to get on with it, get the rest of the video done, or this will be the rest of the video. I don't know yet. I don't know the order things are going to go in, but it's some pretty cool equipment. It's not very expensive, and for less than half the price of what it costs for a machine, I'm doing the same job. So stay safe. God bless. We'll catch you next time.